This is the Philippine eagle, one of the rarest and most powerful eagles on Earth. With a wingspan reaching over 2 meters, this majestic bird is one of the largest eagles in the world. It lives only in the rainforests of the Philippines, relying on tall trees for nesting and the Philippine eagle is a fearless hunter, feeding on monkeys, flying lemurs, snakes, and birds. Once called the monkey-eating eagle, it is now a national symbol of pride and strength. Sadly, habitat loss and hunting have pushed this species to the edge of extinction. Protecting the forest means protecting the Philippine eagle.